If you want to add a map on Squarespace, I'm going to show you the fastest way to do it step by step. A map is a great addition to any website because it helps visitors find your business, understand your location, and feel more confident getting in touch or stopping by. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace site in the page editor by clicking Edit in the top left corner of your site preview. This takes you from viewing your website to actually editing the page content. Once you're in the editor, go to the Fluid Engine page section where you want the map to appear. Fluid Engine gives you more control over layout and placement, so make sure you're working in the right section before adding anything. Now click Add block in the top left corner of that section. A block menu will open with different content options you can add to your page. From that block menu grid, choose Map. As soon as you select it, Squarespace will place a default map onto your canvas. By default, that map is usually pinned to Squarespace's headquarters in New York City, so don't worry if you see a location that isn't yours yet. That's completely normal, and we're going to change it in just a second. Next, click on the new map blocks container so it becomes selected. Once it's highlighted, look for the floating toolbar and click the pencil icon, which is the edit option. This opens the map settings, where you can customize the location and map details. Inside the settings panel, go to the content tab. This is where you manage the actual location information that appears on your website. Under the content tab, click Add Location, or if there's already a placeholder address row there, click directly into it. Now type your business name or your exact physical address into the text fields. Be as accurate as possible, because the map will use this information to place the pin correctly. If you run a local business, this is the perfect place to add your storefront, office, studio, or service location. After you enter the address, Squarespace will update the map preview so you can make sure it points to the right place. If needed, take a moment to double check the pin location, zoom level, and overall placement on the page. You can always move the map block around in Fluid Engine if you want it higher, lower, wider, or centered differently. That flexibility is one of the reasons Squarespace is so useful for modern website design. Once you're happy with the map, remember to save your changes so the update goes live on your site. And that's it. You've now added a map on Squarespace and customized it with your own business location. This is a quick but powerful way to make your website more professional and easier for visitors to use. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and I'll see you in the next one.